With a continuous power handling of 1,200 watts, this enclosure is engineered to produce incredibly deep and powerful bass. The dual 12-inch Solo-Baric L7R subwoofers feature a signature square cone design, which provides significantly more surface area than conventional round drivers for moving more air. Built from thick, medium-density fiberboard with extensive internal bracing, the enclosure is exceptionally rigid and durable, ensuring clean bass reproduction without unwanted resonance. A scientifically engineered front-facing port delivers thunderous low frequencies smoothly and efficiently, eliminating the port noise often found in lesser designs. Installation is simplified thanks to a single 2-ohm terminal, making it straightforward to connect to a compatible amplifier and get your system running quickly. The enclosure's angled back allows for a snug fit against vehicle seats, while the rugged black carpeting and embroidered logo provide a professional, high-quality appearance.